Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to step out, but this is progress so far. Rich block. That's nice. Anyway, I think that's rich block. Rich block, eh? Alright, this is progress so far. So all the carpet tack strips have been pulled out. At least in this room, I still have the hallway to do. And that's my floor nailer. I got this attachment from Boss Stitch. I tried to put it on, but it was taking up too much time, so I stopped it. I'm gonna come back and maybe read the manual, figure out how to attach that to my floor nailer, because I'm really not looking forward to buying another one. Now, in the closet, I'm not gonna open it because it's a mess in there. In the closet here, I'm gonna have to cut that back, way back, put a transition there, and have a smooth transition from whatever flooring is gonna be in here into the closet, because yeah, later on we're gonna figure out what we want to do there. But so far, the bed held up by this dolly from Harbor Freight and these guys from Home Depot. They seem to be working all right, but if your carpet's thick, do not use these, because you will end up just riding on, carpet, and that doesn't work so well. So I need to come back, finish sweeping, finish cleaning all this up. I need to grab my shop vac. I left that at a client site, so I'm gonna go grab that. Vacuum up all these particles or carpet fibers, and then start from the back corner there with, where's the underlayment? There, with that underlayment. Now this is more than enough to cover this room, and I want to say part of this hallway, but we got extra just in case. But yeah, so far so good. This is where we're at, and as soon as I get back, I'm gonna start clean up and start underlayment and start the rest of it. So yeah, stay tuned. There's other videos that are coming about a bathroom, well, one bathroom upper level, another one in the basement. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed and you like this content, definitely give me a like, share it, and hit the bell notification, because there's more coming. And if you don't know me, my name's Cliff. I'm with Ovation Home Renovation, and thanks for watching.